Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, it's all about the paper. I know. What paper do you choose for what medium and why? Well, the answer is there isn't an answer. I know. But if you play with lots of papers, each paper will give a different effect. I like playing in charcoal. Sometimes I'll play on the back of cardboard boxes, courtesy of a very well-known delivery firm, but also watercolour paper. Watercolour paper has texture, it holds onto that charcoal, and so erasing it is often tricky. You get a really bold result with that. Same reference, same charcoal, Bristol smooth paper. Now this doesn't hold the charcoal very well. It's easy to blend, it becomes softer. You can erase highlights super easily going back to that white of the paper. So that makes a different feel to the painting. Tinted background, same charcoal. Again, very different feel because a mixed media paper holds onto the charcoal, not as much as the watercolour paper, but it does hang on in there. So that's really nice. So have a play and think about what you like. Don't just pick any old paper up when you're creating something. Have a play with different papers first and see what you enjoy, because your style is what makes you unique. So have a play and find out what you like and why do you like it. Something we talk a lot about in the Smart Art Academy, which, by the way, I'm running free workshops, etc., etc. Check the link below, subscribe to my email list, then you get to know what's going on. And I will see you next week for another 2-minute art hack. Bye.